the school cafeteria today. What food do you like?
I love spaghetti. It's the best. Pizza.
My favorite is pizza.
We are in the cafeteria.
Oh?
I like pizza.
That's great.
Yeah.
Lina with pasta bowl. I like pasta in the cafeteria. Why do you like pizza, Omar?
Pizza is tasty and warm.
That's right. Pasta is soft and delicious. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. Do you eat food with your friends?
Yes, I eat with Lina.
Yes, we eat together.
Let's order food. I want pizza, please. I want pasta, please.
What drink do you want?
I want water. I want juice. Mama!
Very good, children.
Oh.
We studied hard, teacher. We're ready for the test. Is your food good?
Yes, it is very good.
Yes, I like it a lot. Is food important? Food gives us energy. Food helps us grow. Is pizza healthy or unhealthy? Sometimes unhealthy. What is healthy food? Fruits and vegetables. Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat apples.
Yes, I eat bananas. Great job, everyone.
Thank you for watching our lesson.
Watch our previous videos and wait for our next lessons.
Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell.